Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Solgaard large check-in bag, which I just got recently. And as you could see from the damage on the box, this is actually not a brand new bag. Usually these bags go for $3.95 plus tax and such, but I actually got it for almost half off at $2.19 because it's open box. So let's go straight to my first impressions of me opening and checking out my new Solgaard suitcase. Right, so as you can see, it's not open yet, so this is gonna be a genuine reaction to opening it. You can see the condition of the box, obviously. This is open box, like I mentioned, so it's used. It might have some scratches, it might have some dents. I'm not sure the condition 100% of it yet. We're gonna see if it's worth it. It's about 50 to 55% difference in price, so hey, half off, a very expensive, nice suitcase, so we got to give it a try, right? And it's a suitcase I've been honestly really wanting for a while now, at least for the past year. So this is definitely going to be coming handy soon. So we're going to open it up first. All right, looks like it's inside of a little bag, Solgaard bag. Let's give this a try. All right, in its own little bag. I got the black. I see some, looks like maybe dog hair, but it's not a big deal. I have dogs myself, so if I were to leave this suitcase in my living room, it would have dog hair also. It's actually a really nice black. And other than the dog hair, I don't really see any damage. Like I mentioned, this was open box, so doesn't mean it's gonna have heavy damage that's visible, but I mean, other than, like I said, other than the dog hair, I don't see any damage on this. And obviously I'm gonna show a better look of it. I mean, that's nothing right there. I'll show you a look of that. It doesn't even look like it's been laid on here, on the little stands on the side. So yeah, this is actually the check-in. I believe the large. I will correct myself if not. Looks like there is a key for this. I'm not sure if it's inside or not. We'll see. This is the first time I've owned a clamshell, so forgive me for looking like an amateur. I really actually like, before I even open it up all the way, I really like this right here. And that's the inside. All right, I know there's a couple features in here, and I'll show a better look of it after my first reactions, but I know they say that if you open it up all the way, it does tip over. That's why they got this little strap right here, so you can lock it in and it won't tip over. And then I'm guessing this is the shelving that comes, that's selling point from Solgaard. And we'll show a better look at that also. But I mean, overall, this is an open box. It's really hard to believe this. Other than the dog hair, this is perfect condition. There's no scratches, no dents or nothing. I'm actually super happy because, I mean, it was $200, but that's still half off of what this one cost. So I was really impressed with the condition of this suitcase. No scratches anywhere other than dog hair, even on the edges where you would expect it to hit, you know, tables and walls. No damage, no scratches. The handle's really nice. It feels really nice in the hand. And there really isn't any wear anywhere. I mean, right here, I'm showing you the side with the pegs that would usually lay on a table or on the floor. The wheels, looks like they've never been rolled on anything other than the floor that it's on right now. These have 360 wheels all the way around, very nice. This is the side where the clamshell opens up, has a TSA lock, so that's a really nice addition. And I really like that trimming right there, rose gold trimming, very, very nice. This strap right here is to hold the suitcase nice and straight. When you put the closet feature on, you hang it from either the handle, or you could hang that closet feature in an actual closet in the hotel room. That's it standing up, and as you can see, the halves aren't exactly the same, so it will flop around if you lay it flat on a table or bench. Inside, very nice, very deep. Has a couple compartments, 2 smaller compartments where you could probably fit small items and electronics. And then when you unzip this other side, another very spacious area, and it even has 2 pockets on each side to put shoes in. I'll probably show you in a few how it looks with the shoes in there. And this is the closet feature, empty, but just showing you how it looks inside of the suitcase. And usually it'll be stretched out with clothes like that. So right here, I'm putting a pair of shoes into the 2 pockets, and the pockets aren't very big. If you try to put some Yeezy slides, it'll probably be a little bit too big or stretch it out too much. But next, I'm gonna be packing 8 pants, 7 shirts. So I'm gonna do a little bit of sped up packing, putting it into the closet feature. Just want to show how it looks. Now keep in mind, it would look a lot better if I packed it the way that they would want you to pack and fold the clothes. So just keep in mind that. But either way, I try to put a variety of clothes, a thicker button-down shirt, 2 longer pants, and just some t-shirts, just to show you how it would look. After packing all the clothes, there's 2 straps, one on each side, that you use to compress the lower compartment of the closet, so you could fit it a little bit better inside of the suitcase. And this is how that closet now looks inside the suitcase, and there's so much space. Even with a pretty hefty closet already in there, there's still so much space to put your socks, your underwears, more clothes, shoes. And then obviously the other side, here I'm going to show you how it looks with clothes in the upright position, hanging it from the handle. Yeah, definitely some L packing skills. As you can see, the pants are about to fall out. But if I'm actually going to go on a trip, I will pack a lot better. All right, so overall, what do I think about it? I really like it. I do wish the strap would open up a little bit more. I don't know if I'm going to use this, this closet feature. It's definitely one of the selling points. Maybe I'll use it, maybe I won't. I have to learn how to pack better in this so I can, utilize the space much better, but there's still tons of space here. I mean, so much space in here. I didn't even utilize this bottom part right here. And obviously I can mix clothes around to make it fit better, but I really like it. No scratches, no dents. Like I said, this is open box. So definitely keep an eye on the site when they have one of the check-ins or the carry-on bags, and if you're really interested in it, I would recommend getting it open box. I mean, I don't know, I can't guarantee that you'll have the same amazing quality as me, but I mean, this one has definitely never been used, and I'm really happy with the purchase. I can't wait to use it. So please like, comment, subscribe if you like this review and this reaction to opening it up. I'm definitely going to be using this on my Thailand trip, so keep an eye on that. I'll be doing a packing video for it when I go to Thailand, and you might see it throughout the vlogs. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.